Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a simple calculator on Code.org app lab. So let's begin. First of all, I will give it a theme here. The theme is going to be pastel. I will add a button. Width will be 115, height will be 90, and button add text. Font size will be 20. Font family platinum. Uh, a duplicate over here, another duplicate over here, another duplicate over here. So this is going to be subtract. This is going to be divide, and this one is going to be multiply. Okay, so here it is, and I will add another button, and it will be small. Okay, this much will be perfect. Reset. It will be to reset all the things in this calculator. I'll put this over here. These will go a little bit here. Okay, and I will add uh, an input box with, and its width is going to be 110. I will make a duplicate. I'm going to put it over here. Placeholder will be 0 0. Font family Platino. Font size 20. Once again, font family Platino. Font size font size 20. And the text area, I'll add a text area here. Font family Platino. Font size 20. Read only. Okay, 0. It will be 30, or it could be 35 also. 35 will be better. So here it is. I've got it over here. And now I will add a label. Text will be fast cal. Okay, fast cal. Font family comic. Font size 40 this time. Okay, fast cal sounds nice. This sounds nice to me. Okay, so here it is. Everything is done. So now let's code our app. So here I will add 4 on event blocks. Okay, and now button 1, button 2, button 3, and button 4, and another one. Okay, not over here, and this one will be button 5. So now let's begin. I will add a get number block over a set number block over here. Copy it. Okay, here, 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 and another one over here. So the ID is going to be text area 1, text area 1 over here also. text area 1 over here, text area 1 over here also, and text area 1 over here also. So now I will add some get number, but I have to add these ones also. So this one to add, this one to subtract, this one to multiply, okay, this one to multiply, and this one to divide. Okay, and now I will add get text, get number blocks over here. Get number, get number. Okay, so they're going to be here. Here it is. This one's over here, and now another one here, another one over here. Now let's set the IDs. Text input 2 and text input 2 over here. Text input 2 over here and text input 2 over here. So now I will add the IDs over here also. Text input 1, text input 1. Oh, it was text input 1. Text input 1, and here text input 1 over here also. So here it is. Let's run it and check it. Here I will write 20, 200. Let's add it. Okay. There is a little bit of problem, I think so, but it's all nice, I think so. Let's do it again. Okay, so everything is nice, but there may be any problem. If there isn't any problem, then this should not happen. Okay. Hmm. Let me refresh my page. Okay, now let's check it. Now let's add it. Yeah, it's working. There may be a little bit of problem in the network or something. Okay, let's subtract it, divide, multiply. So it's like this. So now we have to work on this one. So we will add this one once again. Okay, not these many times. This one is going to be text input 1 and this one is going to be text input 2. So let's run it now, and now let's see 20 over here, 200 over here, and now let's add it. Okay, reset. So this is how it will work, and I have a latest update for you all. Now there is a website of FLM channel. The link is given in the description box. Don't forget to check it out. Bye bye.